In today's video, I will walk you through how to create mirror effect upside down using Flip in Filmora. To create the effect, start by importing your video into Filmora. Drag the video onto the timeline, then click the clip to select it. Next, go to the transform or flip options in the editing panel. Choose the vertical flip option to flip the video upside down. This will create the base of the mirror effect. After that, duplicate the same clip and place it directly above or below the original clip on the timeline. Apply the same vertical flip to the duplicated clip if needed so both clips align correctly. Adjust the position of both clips so they match and create a mirrored layout. Make sure the edges align properly to complete the effect. This mirror upside-down effect is commonly used when you want to create a reflection-style look or a creative visual transition. It helps add symmetry and visual interest to your video. And that's all you need to do to create a mirror effect upside down using Flip in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.